There is absolutely no better resource available online than custom-built spas for getting the most comprehensive DIY information and instructions for building spas, hot tubs, swim spas, and small pools. The basic construction method is the same for whatever project you choose to build. This completely simplifies the build process, making only the size and how you outfit the water vessel the single factor as to what you call your finished project build. Many of our custom-built spas customers build their projects for multi-use. An example of this would be a plunge pool. It can also be used as an exercise pool or a cocktail pool for social gatherings with your friends. Custom-built spas customer Angelo L. lives on Keuka Lake in the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York. His plan was to build a large multi-use hot tub. Angelo then went on to complete his project by fabricating a custom insulated motorized rolling cover. He then outfitted his cover with a number of the basic mechanical parts used for an electric garage door opener. The cover could now be opened and closed with a push of a button. Custom-built spas customer Vincent T. in New Jersey built this cozy hot tub overlooking a small lake that he lives on. Both Vincent and his wife are huge DIY enthusiasts and built this project together. The fall setting in this picture, I think, is simply awesome.
Take a few minutes and visit Custom Built Spa's website. Here you will be able to view many more beautiful customer projects. You'll also be able to read a number of the customer testimonials from customers that worked with custom-built spas during their project build. Why not visit the website right now?